Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be organizing the college search or your college binder, because that's how I did it when I applied. So first things first, what you need is a binder, tab dividers. I like the ones with pockets, page protectors, planner, pins. If you're doing it on the computer, Excel, another planner, and an accordion style folder for all your information that you're going to get. So for Excel, this is what it's going to look like when you first apply, or when you're first looking. This is just a rough idea. I put like 6 colleges and then put scholarships and additional information. This just breaks down how you should do it: school, location, cost, the info you received, and the info you have to apply. And then I just put, this is just a breakdown of how you do the scholarships, or how I did it. So this is what it should look like after you've decided where you're going: college, financial aid, scholarships, loans, housing, meal plan, clubs, and other, and of course rename colleges to where you're going. So this is what the financial aid thing should look like. This is just a random breakdown with some random numbers. And then this is what the loans should look like, and of course you will have other payment options which you can list below. So for the binder, this is the method I use because I'm just a pencil and paper kind of person. But of course it'll look like the first tab of the Excel sheet that I showed you when you are applying the 6 tabs, and then afterwards you just put where you went to school, financial aid, loans, scholarships. Oh, and this is my brother's college binder that I helped him build a few years ago. This is not mine. Housing, meal plan, clubs, and of course the other tab, because you will receive a lot of information and some of it just will not fit into the other tabs that you've created. There will be a better breakdown of this on my Patreon, so make sure you are pledged over there. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, let me know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.